South Pacific, 612 West Coast to Canada. 612 West Coast to Canada breaking. How about a 166? 166 Australia, 612 West Coast to Canada break. How about it South Pacific? How about it South Pacific, 612 West Coast to Canada break. Hey, 166 Gold Coast of Australia, you're sounding good, man. We got a good copy on you here on the West Coast of Canada, 612 waving. Not bad for AM, Skip. I've talked to New Zealand on AM before. 166, bring it back, 612 West Coast to Canada, break. Wow. That's awesome. 166 Australia making a trip to the West Coast of Canada on the AM side. 612 West Coast to Canada waving. It's fading out. Evening, Skip. Thanks for watching. Cheers.